If you're creating templates to sell, one of the easiest ways to make them feel relevant and sell ready is designing with the season in mind. In this video, I'll show you how to take a pre-made design and quickly turn it into a Valentine's ready product without overthinking it. I'm starting by choosing a pre-made template. This is always my go-to because the layout, spacing, and structure are already done for me. That means I can focus on simple updates instead of designing from scratch, which saves a lot of time. I'm updating the main heading to say "Love is in the air." Just changing the headline immediately sets the theme. Whenever possible, I recommend designing around the season. Next, I'm removing the current illustrations. They're not bad, but they don't fit the Valentine's vibe I'm going for. Clearing them out gives me some space to work with. Now I'm adding a new illustration that matches the theme. There are plenty of options, but I'm thinking something like hearts or a cupid, something playful and recognizable. This one works perfectly and instantly ties the whole design together. You can always play around with colors too. Seasonal color changes are one of the quickest ways to personalize a template. Even small tweaks can completely change the mood while keeping the design clean and professional. And that's it. With just a few quick edits, you've taken a pre-made template and turned it into a seasonal, sell-ready product. This same process works for any season, any niche, and any type of template.